Doing a little bit of hardwood here, glue down plank. I wanted to show this method here, what I do to get my gaps together. Stuff can be a real bear sometimes to get these gaps together here. And if you do 3 or 4 feet at a time, I think we're doing about we're doing 3 runs in there. We did 4 runs just to finish that up in there. But typically we are doing 3 runs at a time. I got 3 boards here marked. Once I get done, I can take that, put it right against my installed plank and put a mark. Do the same thing down there, pop me a line, measure over 5.5 inches and pop me another line. And the second line is for the 2x4s there. Got my nail gun. Once I get it all filled in, I'll take my jacks, jack, squeeze all these gaps together, boom, 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 nail this last run right here, scoop my jacks down, squeeze everything tight together, boom, 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 and nail it. We've not used a single piece of tape on this entire job. All these boards, all these screws, we got, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws per board. So we're gonna go screw them back out. Our next one, we'll screw down right in here somewhere. So we just move that 2x6, 2x4 as we move our pop lines. So don't take just a minute to unscrew them and screw them back down. Literally maybe 2 minutes to pick these up and put them back down on the new marks. And that saves us a whole bunch of straining, struggling, and time of pushing these boards together by hand. It just makes it so much easier, and you don't have to worry about taping everything off and it accidentally moving around any, because we are using the jack and nailing every 3rd row with our nail gun. So it's a lot better like that. Saves us a lot of struggling right there. Now, when we get down here where there ain't nothing, that's why we take and put it completely up to the wall so we can use our jacks on the baseboard right there. That's it. That'll help people out tremendously if you struggle with glue down wood. Hopefully it'll help out. Anyway, that's how we do it, and it works out really well. All right, there, just a little tidbit for you woodworkers out there if you need anyway, maybe that'll help somebody out. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Until next time, FBSB's out.